Hi, I'm Ellie, and in this video I'll be dabbling in the world of furniture remodeling with a slightly chaotic rebuild of an IKEA desk chair. This is a desk chair. You might say it's a perfectly fine desk chair. It goes up and down, but it doesn't work for me because I almost exclusively sit cross-legged. Admittedly, I have another perfectly good desk chair that I can use, but it got me thinking, why don't I take the arms off of this? Wow. As that happened, turns out the arms are what's keeping the back on. Might as well do disassembly. Well, I just disassembled a desk chair. Admittedly, it wasn't a very good desk chair, but it didn't really deserve to be put in pieces on the floor, except that I've had a genius idea. What if I turn this sad little chair into a wonder of ergonomic comfort by reusing the back of the chair to create a footrest area and turn this into a cross-legged chair. Crazy, yes, but it just might work. Right. I've taken everything off of the frame of the back of the chair, and it fits nicely over the wheels, and there should be some way to attach it down there. Right. This is the current situation. I'm thinking that we attach the back of this along here somewhere, and then voila, I have a cross-legged area. I really don't know how this is going to work. Okay, new idea. This is where my feet go. We have a raised platform on the back, demonstrated by this pillow, which allows us to sit nice and high on the back and cross our legs on the front. Ooh, that's very comfy. I don't even need to do this project. But yeah, that's the general idea, and I think because I have this handy dandy cover from the back of the chair, that I could create some sort of upholstery and actually make it look like it belongs as part of the chair. Right, I raided the basement for spare pillows. I think I have everything I need to get started on this amazing project. I have determined that I need a pillow approximately 2 of these tall and half of these wide, which means I should be able to make my final cushion out of one of these cut in half and then upholstered using the former cover of the back. handy dandy cover from the back. Let's just see if this already fits in there. That would be useful. Oh, I think it's not gonna fit. Oh, I think it is gonna fit. This needs to be attached to the seat in two ways. Firstly, it needs to be tied to the seat somehow. And I think I have the perfect solution with this extra strong exercise band. I think that might just stretch over both and hold it together really well. But the second place it needs to be attached is on underneath here. So the rest of this cover will wrap around underneath, and it goes over the place where the swivel mount screws on. So I'm just gonna have to add 2 holes there, and that will go in between the seat and base. But first things first, let's see if we can get this extra strong exercise band to do what I want it to do. Okay, no problem. Over the seat. That's fine. Everything's fine. Can you tell I don't actually use this thing? Then, start with the easy side. Slip that on through there. Oh, this is working beautifully. Oh, that looks good. We can always readjust it later. For now, let's tuck this over the back. It almost goes through the exercise band again. That would be so darn neat. I could do this with any sort of ratcheting strap, and that would be way better. But you use what you got. This, my friends, is what I've got. Now comes time for the first destructive thing I've had to do to this chair, which means I'm really committing to this chair makeover thing. I'm gonna have to cut 2 holes so that I can screw this base back in. Whew. Partially screw in the 2 we can see. All that's left is to almost there. Whew. Stay. Okay, so then we need to step there and a little step. Nice. Let's see if those are enough. Introducing the improved cross-legged chair. And that, my friends, is how you turn an ordinary desk chair into one that you can comfortably sit cross-legged on. I'll use this for a week or two and tell you how it goes. 2 weeks ago today, I got a wild surge of energy after dinner time, disassembled a desk chair and turned it into a cross-legged one. I've been sitting on it for 2 weeks and it's actually really nice. I used it about as much as I use my normal desk chair, and it's really nice to have a way to vary how I sit. I think I probably could have done a better job than the exercise band, but for now it's still working really well. And if that ever starts to stretch out, I will